Hey traders, let's have a look at a few stocks. I think we're going to have a look at Amazon, Google, and Facebook. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through all the details and steps to the blast off trading system. You're going to absolutely love this. To get access to this blast off trading system, click on the box above that says blast off trading system to get access to it now. Alright, hey traders, hope you're doing well. Trading is all kinds of fun, isn't it? You just got to cut your losses when you got them, and you got to just let your wins when you got them as well too. So let's have a look at a few stocks here, guys. I've got a few questions about some stocks, about some trading and so on and so forth. So let me just share with you some trades that one trade that I did on Amazon, and what was I going to say? Yeah, and then I want to do Amazon because someone asked me, John, what do you think about what's happening with Amazon? And I want to share with you what's going on with there as well too, and also going to look at Google and also Facebook as well too. So firstly, I wanted to share with you a trade that I did. Now this doesn't matter, guys. I just want to share with you how simple your analysis is going to be. As you can see, guys, what was happening here and guys, this is really just as simple as my trading can be. What was happening here on Amazon back here a couple of months ago? We were forming what? We were forming a bit of a triangle pattern, right? You can see through there, and you can see. Let's actually make that black. So you can see the resistance through there, and you can see the resistance through there, right? Very, 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 very simple analysis. Forget the moving averages here. And I just want to share a trade with you, dude. Just really, really, really simple. Right, so we're squeezing up. And as you can see, right, if you have a look at this here, squeezing up, we've got a nice good breakout day. Now this breakout day, this is what we call a bullish up day, right? So this is a bullish up day here. Nice, good bullish up day. Do we have an increase in volume? A very big increase in volume, right? A buck above my average. So I entered. And I actually stayed into that. I got in there and I bought about 3 months worth of call options, and I held on to this, and I was using my 9-day moving average as an absolute get out. And I got in here and I got out somewhere around about here somewhere. One of these days here that I got out. So that was a really, really, really nice move for me. And I was just riding it up. So that was actually one of the trades. Again, guys, it doesn't have to be that. Trading doesn't have to be that complicated. It's just you've got to have good money management and good trade management. Money management is just you put the same amount of money on every time. Trade management is like, this is not working for me, I got to get out. If you don't, then they turn the big losses. So anyway, so let's have a look at what's happening with Amazon right now. Let me quickly flick you over to the weekly chart here. You know what? Let's stick with the daily chart. All right. So I'm looking at just 3 months worth of time frame here, just on the short term. What's happening with Amazon? Well, firstly, we can see there's a whole bunch of area of strong resistance going up through there, which is around the 840 mark, and we can see that we are definitely indeed had a nice little run up through there. We had a breakout. So I would say if we have a look at the trend line from there to there, and we have a look at resistance through. And we have a look at a resistance level from there, and we have a look at a sort of a resistance level crawling up through there. You can see how it's forming a bit of a triangle pattern. Resistance, bit of a triangle pattern. So I would say, guys, by looking at this, if we keep moving sideways, we could be getting ready for another breakout. Now, let me ask you a question, guys. Let me ask you a question. Where is the trend right now? In the last 3 months, the trend has been up, right? And we got a squeezing little triangle pattern. If we do get, guys, a nice little open here and a nice good run up and a good bullish up bar, just like this bar right here, and we get a spike in volume, and the volume spikes, and we get a nice spike above. We get like a really good spike above here. Do you think that'd be a nice little trade? I'm not telling you to trade that, but I'm just saying, guys, that these trades just come time and time again, right? And you just got to be patient with them. That's all. Just got to be patient with them. So that's what's happening right there, guys. Let me actually put that on my bullish continuation list, because I have a couple of trades. It's more like a continuation trade, right? Just trade with the trend. That's all you have to do. Just trade with the overall trend. Sideways, bullish up day. You can see sideways for a while, and then the market turned around. We're hitting resistance. Now we're getting a triangle pattern. So if we break up and out, guys, how I like to project that is I measure from the top of this point through here down to the triangle pattern. I extend that through there, and if this is going to be the breakout, say here, well then to me it looks like we're going a nice little rise back up to 880 coming real soon with Amazon. And that's actually, as you can see, this is actually going to be a break above new highs as well too. So that actually could be quite a nice trade, guys. So keep an eye out for that. Actually, I will be. I've got on my watch list now. So if we get a nice little bullish update, that could be quite nice. Let's move on now to the good old Google. Good old Google. So let me actually just delete some stuff off here. As you can see, I was doing my analysis through here as well too. I actually had a couple of trades, but I'll share with those. Let me actually delete everything off the screen here. Had a couple of trades through here that I took myself, and I'll show you where they're. So I'll show you where they are. So anyway, guys. So what do we have here? We have a nice stair-stepping up, right? Nice. What do we have here? We have this. And again, just come down to simple analysis. What do we have here? We have this peak, and we have this trough. We have this higher peak, and we have this higher trough bouncing off. Make sense? So pretty simple analysis there. And I'm pretty certain that it was, I got in on this day here, and this was actually a small loss, about a 10% loss or something on my option. So, and within a few days around here somewhere, it didn't move, so I got out. Then what I did is in here, you can see this nice little, what do we had here? Nice little bullish update, breaking above new highs. So I got in on this day here as well too. Nice increase in volume. I rode it up, and I got out probably this day right here. So again, not a big move, but Google just wasn't running on, and I give it time as well too. So that one came out at a small profit, not anything big. Small profit or about a break even. So a couple of trades on Google that I've had have one been a small loss, one's been a small profit or break even. So and that's just the way, again, because Google hasn't been running yet. But if we have a look at the peaks, right, this is a trough, this is a peak, this is a trough, the market's gone up, sideways up. So you can see, to me guys, and let me actually just share this with you here. Right, so this is how it flows. It flows up, it flows down, it flows up, it flows down. We had an upward movement, sideways up, so this whole thing is up, then down, and then back up. So, by looking at this here, who's in control of this market? The buyers, right? Because the buyers keep pushing new highs. Now, we see that here. What happens, guys? What happens if we break below this trough here? If the market does hold here and we start to break down, guess what? Now we're forming lower peaks, right? Now sellers are back in control. And that's probably going to form a nice little breakaway through there somewhere. But as you can see, buyers are still in control when it comes to Google. I think also, I think, was it Carl Icahn? George Soros, I think it was, that just bought them. So anyway, guys, so you can see what's happening through there, but we're not really getting any strong strength when it comes to Google or any of that. Let's have a look now at Facebook, guys. Facebook. Let me show you what's happening with Facebook. This was another beautiful trade on Facebook, guys. Let me just share with you what I did. As you can see, I was doing my analysis all through here. Let me just delete everything off the screen here. And I just want to share with you what I did. Real simple analysis, right? So what do we have here through here, guys? We had this was actually like a bit of a support level through here. Okay, so we had this support level through here, nice support, and we had this nice resistance as well too. So a bit of a double bottom sideways, and we can see this market was crawling up, and once we got above this new high, I was happy to get into it. See that nice little bullish update, or that nice update, breaking above these new highs, and we have this increase in volume. Was it that one there, or that one there? That was that one there, and that was that one there. So you can see the breakout. I got in on that day, guys, and I don't remember exactly where I got out, but I think it was somewhere around. I think it's. I got in here at the close, and I got out somewhere around about here. It was, I think, somewhere around about here, somewhere there anyway. So that was actually quite a nice move. So I picked up a good, say, 7 or 8% on that, which is really good, because 1% on the option, 1% of the stock move is roughly 10% on the option. So you do your math there, especially when it comes to the volatility. So, but looking at Facebook right now, guys, we have been slowly stepping up, and just going sideways. We are forming now a bit of a small triangle pattern, as you can see. We are forming a bit of a small triangle pattern. So do we? You can see this has basically been a bit of a resting phase now for the last sort of month, I would say. So do we break up and out and continue this trend? If so, then I'd like to be on it because this is the way it is. Or do we break down? If we do break down, guys, then this could just be, to me, if we do break down, this to me is just a nice small pullback before we continue up. But you just got to play it one day at a time. But if we do break up and out of this one here, and I'm going to put this on my continuation bullish list as well too. Bam. Because you can see what's happening through there. So anyway, guys, there's an Amazon, Google, and Facebook update. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says get John's help, and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.